This craft is ideal for DIY lovers, thinkers, and creators. With 3 different types of bits, it particularly suits those who perform intricate and multi-process repairs and operations. With a pen-like shape and an extremely lightweight of just 56 grams, Scraft is perfect for everyday carry. One Scraft handles all your needs without weighing you down, whether you carry it with you or keep it at home. Scraft provides 2 torque modes, ranging from 1.0 kgf.cm to 3.6 kgf.cm. Users can easily change mode based on different needs. With a rotational speed of up to 300 RPM, Scraft can be easily used for drilling, polishing, and driving screws. X-Craft is equipped with 3 shadowless LED lights, allowing you to see your working area clearly and never miss anything. With just one slide, the bits can be magnetized or demagnetized. Scraft helps you keep fasteners secure as you work and prevents drop and lost parts. Meet Pugdy's Tactical Portable EDC Tool, a personal safety tool which enables the user to lock the door mechanically from inside and offers 10 plus EDC tools alongside. An intruder-safe portable door lock with 10 plus EDC tools for every traveler, family, hiker and cyclist. The metal bit stopper is designed to withstand a load of over 500 kgs or 1,100 pounds. The length of the metal bit is adequate to obstruct doors of all types. The EDC has been designed to offer safety for adults and children who are indoors. The metal bit stopper is made of hardened carbon steel, which makes it practically impossible to break. This ensures that the door remains locked and the person inside is safe and protected from an unauthorized entry, even with a key. The EDC is suitable for almost any door thickness or any wall thickness. The user can do away with the plug-in magnets altogether depending on the door/wall thickness. Grimm's Micro EDC Zipper Tools were designed to be the perfect everyday carry EDC toolkit. Under 2-inch long and 0.5 wide, about the size of a large paper clip, these tools can go just about anywhere. Necklace, backpack, keychain, or anywhere else you can attach them to thanks to our handy clips on each tool. Grimm Workshop creates wearable toolkits designed, produced, and materials sourced in the USA. Our tools are able to be carried without ever taking up space or becoming a hindrance because they are under 1 mm thick. Magic Cable is the next generation multi-charging cable for trendy USB-C laptop and Apple devices. It ingeniously utilizes your stock USB-C laptop charger and can power up to 3 devices with varied connectors. When you connect and charge your smart devices, Magic Cable will intelligently recognize and power them as fast as possible with patented smart power distribution algorithms. It is the ultimate solution for charging your Apple devices and others. With the stock USB-C laptop charger, Magic Cable provides the ability to quick charge a laptop or a tablet, MacBook Pro, iPad Pro, a smartphone, iPhone, and a mobile device all at the same time. When Magic Cable powers multiple devices, it provides up to 80W power for MacBook Pro 16-inch and 15W power left for the remaining 2 devices, with free stock Apple 96W power adapter. Magic Cable is designed to make full use of your existing USB-C power adapter as well as to produce less cables for environmental friendliness. So you don't need to buy extra USB-C power adapter and extra cable for new iPhone or new Android smartphone.